Hey guys, we're doing mixed break 3 mini. Final 12 teams. Top 12 win. Warriors, Nuggets, Grizz, Knicks, Clippers, Cavs, Rockets, Pacers, Raptors, Nets, Hornets, and Wizards. Pardon me, it's 4:52. 18 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the top 10 are, top 12 are Garth, man, he is on fucking fire. Fiona, Thomas, Parlak, Chaz, Bowman, Garth, Ben Francis, Chaz, Fiona, Darren, Nick Watson, and Jared Widmark. Congrats. 4:53, 5 PM Melbourne time. Random complete.